Most people in India work for money their entire life. Salary comes, salary goes. EMIs stay. Years pass quietly. But financial freedom never arrives. Not because they earn too little, but because no one showed them the roadmap. What if 5,000 rupees per month, started today, could become 1 crore rupees in the future? What if the real difference between stress and freedom was not income, but strategy? Not trading, not guessing, not chasing quick profits. Just calm decisions, consistent investing, and time doing its quiet work. In this video, you will learn a practical roadmap to achieve financial freedom in India. Simple steps, clear numbers, and a strategy that works for ordinary people. Because freedom is rarely about luck, it is usually about discipline. Let's begin. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a SEBI-registered investment advisor. This is knowledge, not personal financial advice. Markets carry risk. Returns are not guaranteed. Do your own research. Consult a certified professional if needed. Your money, your responsibility.
Step 1. Build financial stability first. Before investing, create an emergency fund. At least 6 months of expenses. If your monthly cost is Rs 25,000, your emergency fund should be around 1.5 lakh. Keep it in a savings account or liquid mutual fund. This fund protects you during job loss, medical issues, or unexpected events. Investing without safety creates panic decisions later. Stability comes first. Step 2. Eliminate expensive debt. High-interest loans destroy wealth. Credit card interest can reach 30 to 40% per year. That means 1 lakh of debt can double in a few years. Before investing heavily, focus on clearing such debt. Home loans are different. Education loans may be manageable, but consumer debt is dangerous. Financial freedom begins when interest stops working against you. Step 3. Start systematic investing. This is where SIP becomes powerful. SIP means Systematic Investment Plan. You invest a fixed amount every month automatically. Example: Rs 5,000 monthly SIP invested in equity mutual funds. If the market averages around 12% yearly return, after 20 years, that 5,000 monthly investment could grow close to 50 lakh. Consistency matters more than timing. You are not predicting markets, you are participating in them.
Step 4. Build asset allocation. Never put all money in one place. A simple allocation strategy may look like this: 60% equity mutual funds, 20% debt funds or fixed income, 10% gold, 10% cash reserves. Equity grows wealth. Debt stabilizes portfolio. Gold protects during crisis. Each asset behaves differently. This balance reduces risk because markets move in cycles. Step 5. Understand risk cycles. Markets do not go up forever. Sometimes markets fall 20%, sometimes even 40%. This is normal. During these periods, many investors panic. They sell investments and lock their losses. But disciplined investors continue SIP because falling markets actually buy more units, and those units grow strongly later. Volatility is temporary. Ownership is long-term. Step 6. Rebalance your portfolio. Over time, asset allocation changes automatically. Example: your equity grows faster. Your portfolio becomes 75% equity. Risk increases quietly. Rebalancing means restoring balance. Sell some equity, move it to debt or gold. Usually once per year is enough. This keeps your strategy stable.
Step 7.
Understand taxes. Taxes impact your final returns. Equity investments held more than 1 year are taxed as long-term capital gains, currently around 10% beyond certain limits. Debt investments follow different tax rules. Also consider tax-saving instruments like ELSS mutual funds. These help reduce tax under Section 80C. Tax awareness increases real wealth. Step 8. Avoid common mistakes. Chasing hot stocks, following random tips, checking portfolio every day, trying to time the market perfectly, and quitting during market crashes. These behaviors destroy compounding. Successful investors do boring things. They invest regularly. They stay patient. They avoid emotional reactions. Step 9. Scale investments gradually. Income grows over time. Your investments should grow too. Example, start with 5,000 rupees SIP. Next year, increase to 7,000 rupees, then 10,000 rupees. Every salary increase, add more investments. This strategy is called step-up investing. Small increases create massive long-term results. Step 10. Think in decades. Financial freedom rarely happens quickly, but it happens quietly over time. 20 years of disciplined investing can transform your life. Your portfolio eventually starts generating income, dividends, capital growth, financial stability. At that point, work becomes a choice, not a necessity. That is real financial freedom. One day in the future, you will look back at this moment, the moment you decided to take control. Not chase shortcuts, not depend on luck, but follow a calm strategy, month by month, year by year. Your future self will thank you for starting early, for staying patient, for staying disciplined. Because wealth rarely rewards excitement. It rewards consistency. And the person who understands that eventually becomes financially free.